Hello, I'm Dr. Pamela Kulback at K2 Restorative Med Spa, and I have this wonderful woman that's traveled, how many miles have you traveled? Thousands, yeah, to see me today. And we have done my trifecta, quadrecta maybe I should say. We have been treating her for skin laxity, fine lines and wrinkles, and she would ultimately like to have my PDO threads, but her skin needed some tightening and lifting before we could do that. So what we've done today, we've done my Virtue Radio Frequency MicroNeedling. We have done my CoolPeel Laser, and then for her laxity around her eyes, I have used my plasma pen, my Subnovii Plasma Pen, which you can see here. This heats your skin higher to a higher temperature than any other device. It's over about 400 degrees. And it stimulates the fibroblasts to come to the surface and start laying down collagen and elastin like crazy, which is going to smooth out these fine lines and wrinkles. And we have also put platelet-rich plasma over her to heal her. So this is a wonderful, one-stop shop here for fine lines and wrinkles and skin laxity. So if you have any of these problems and would like to have a very comprehensive treatment for all of that, come see us at K2 Restorative Med Spa. We'd be very happy to see you.